Xin chào, my dear.
Hello, teacher. Teacher, today I
Hi.
want I want to
Yes,
quickly. I want to find it free unit.
fine. What do you mean?
I want to learn lesson very fast. And I
Oh, okay.
want to need free unit, you know. But
Okay.
but the word Armstrong, you are try again. You read again for me.
Okay.
But it's
Okay.
fast.
Okay, let's try to discuss our lesson very fast. Okay, do you remember the things we discussed last night
No,
about about
I don't.
hats or necklace? Okay, here's the example. Some people,
Some people wear a ring when they are married. Marry.
when they are married. Okay, let's try some example. Some,
Teacher, may I drink
some,
water? Teacher.
okay, my dear.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, my dear, let's complete our sentence. Can you think of a thing? Okay, let's put the word here. Do you remember last night?
People. Some people who wear a t-shirt and
Okay.
when they are when they are when they aren't wait for me when they aren't
Okay, what's your word?
nerve. Nerve. When
When
they when they aren't when they aren't turning and
what do you mean?
nerve. Your
Ner-
teacher. Nerve. Nerve.
when they are
When they aren't nerve. Nerve.
okay. What's nerve? What do you
N
mean?
Nerve.
VE?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, because
Or we can
because
use
the people nerve is not not half the people.
okay. Or we can use
Dif-
we can
It's different. It's different to the people.
okay. Or we can use instead, some people wear a t-shirt when they are at home. Okay? Okay, another one. What else? Some people, let's make
Some
5
people
sentences. Some people wear what else?
wear no.
How about a hat?
Oh,
When,
some people wear a hat when they are hot. The weather is very sunny and
okay, very good. When the weather is hot and sunny. Very good. Okay, another sentence.
some people wear a scarf.
Very
Scarf
good.
when the weather is cold.
Very good. Okay, scarf. When the weather. What else? Another sentence.
When the
How
weather
about shoes? Okay, some people. Okay, my dear. Here. Shoes.
too.
Okay, what's your sentence?
Look,
Oh
some
no.
people wear shoes when when the when the people is running.
Okay, when they are.
They they are running.
Okay, very good. One last sentence.
Um, some people some people wear a sock
Okay,
wear wear socks when the weather is very cold and have the windy.
okay. When the weather is cold again. Okay. And raining. Okay, very good, my dear. Good job. Now let's go to the next. Okay, oh
Look,
no. Here, let's try. Okay, let's read the examples. Can you see them? Okay, let's read them quick. Some people.
some people wear a ring when they are married. Some people wear a hat when they sit in the sun. Some people wear a scarf when they are cold. Some people wear socks on their feet when they go for walks in the winter. Some people wear sunglasses when they go to the beach. Some people wear shorts when they do sports.
Okay, very good. Now we know how to make sentence using the items we discussed last time. Okay, next. Okay, now you have to describe. Okay, here's the question, my dear. Look at the picture and describe. Okay, what is question number 1? Can you help teacher here?
What is Stan wearing?
Okay,
Stan
describe.
a lion t-shirt.
Oh,
The lion shirt. The white t-shirt and have the lion.
okay, what else? Okay, Dan is wearing a white t-shirt with lion print.
What is on his t-shirt? Oh, with lion print.
Okay, yes, a lion print.
What is he carrying?
Carrying.
Carrying. What is carrying?
What's in his hand?
Oh, he has. He has
He is.
bag.
Okay,
He is.
he is
He is
with
carrying.
ing. Okay.
Carrying. Carrying. A
Carrying. Again, my dear.
car-
Carrying.
carrying. A backpack.
Very good. Okay.
Ah,
Very good. Correct. Okay, next.
what
Oh, no. Okay, next
What
question.
is she carrying? She
What
is
is
carrying.
Sally? Sally.
Sally ca carry. What is Sally
Wearing.
wearing? Sally wearing a dress
Okay, or dress and coat.
and coat.
And a coat. Okay. Next
She,
question.
she she is carrying I don't know, umbrella 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 and I don't know.
Okay, and a bag. I don't know. I'm not sure if it's called trolley. Or we can say and a bag with wheels. Okay. Can you say this one, my dear? She is carrying.
She is carrying an umbrella and a bag with wheels.
Okay, very good. Now let's go to the next. Okay, where's the next one?
Here, today
Here.
I I check two two lesson and I have 2 point, two
Oh,
star.
oh, very good. Correct.
In one day I have 5 point.
Very good, my
Next
dear.
day you have the test it.
Okay, we will.
Listen.
Okay,
Okay,
next time
I
we
have
will have a.
five. I have 5 point. You all have the game for me. Okay.
Okay, now let's go here. Look and read.
Look and read. Circle the correct word.
Okay,
The queen
number one.
is wearing a very pretty necklace.
Okay, you circle.
Contact.
Okay, you put circle in your answer.
Okay.
Okay, number two.
Three long fins flags are flying in the wind.
Okay, okay, put circle in your answer.
Check.
Okay, okay? Very good. Check. Number three.
One person is carrying a big plate with fruit on it.
Okay, very good. Check.
Check.
Number four.
The man who's playing music is wearing funny orange.
Tights or gloves?
What is tight?
Like this here.
Oh, yes, tights.
Okay, so what's your answer? Okay, very good.
Check.
Check. Very good. Check. Number 5.
You can see a layer. Mm, round
Okay.
table in the
The castle.
garden.
Castle. Castle
The king
garden. Check.
has chair.
Number 6.
The king has a wonderful gold
Crown or hat?
crown. Check.
Yes. Check.
On
Very
the top
good.
of his head.
Yes. Okay.
Check.
Okay. Good job. Now let's go to
Teacher.
the next one.
Look, teacher.
What is that? Okay. Okay, my dear, next. Okay, there is question again. Okay, number 1.
Number 1 is
Oh no. Okay, let's go back here. Okay, what's the question? Number 1 question, how many people?
how many people are there in the picture?
Okay, count them all.
8. There are 8 people in the picture.
8. Okay, try again.
Oh, 9.
Okay, 9. Very good. Number 2.
Number 2 is how many names are there? Are there 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8?
How many?
There are 8 names in the picture.
8? 8
Yeah,
names?
8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Okay.
There
It's
are
7. Okay, 7 only. And number 3. Okay, I will
what
ask.
are people doing?
Okay,
Oh,
I will
it's
ask you first. What does the queen doing?
the queen
What is the
is
queen doing?
talking with the king.
Very good. Okay, how about this girl?
The girl is playing with her dog.
Okay, how about this little boy here?
The little boy is reading a book.
Very good. How about this woman here?
The woman is carrying a fruit.
Okay, a plate with fruit.
A plate of fruit.
Okay, how about this one?
The the man is needs a paper.
Okay, it's holding a paper
He's holding a
and
paper and
is
running.
very good. How about this one at the top of the castle?
She is waving.
Very good. And these 2 people here
2 people is playing the guitar and
are
I don't know.
playing. Again?
Playing music.
Yes.
They playing music
Very
together.
good. Okay. They are playing guitar and drum. Okay, good job, my dear. Next.
3 points.
Okay, check, check, check. Oh no. Let's do it again.
Oh,
Oh no. Okay, there's already an answer. Okay. Can't play the audio. Where is the audio? Oh no. Okay, let's go back here again. The little girl here, what's her name?
her name is Mary.
Okay, again, what is Mary doing?
Mary is playing with her dog.
Okay.
The man is holding the paper is a Peter.
Okay, very good. What else?
The girl is carrying place place with fruit. Fruit is Sarah.
Okay. Who else?
Mm, the man is play the guitar is Miko.
Michael. The man,
Mike.
okay, the man playing the guitar is Michael.
The man is playing the guitar is a Michael.
Okay. The man playing the guitar. We don't say the man is
The
playing. The
man
man,
play
okay.
is the man playing the guitar is Michael.
Very good. Okay. How about the king?
The king is Harry.
Okay. And the queen?
The queen is Helen.
Hey, very good. Queen Helen. Okay. Okay. Good job.
Queen.
Okay. Next.
What is the name of the castle? Mm,
Okay. I can't play the audio here.
okay.
Oh no. Where is the audio? Okay. Let's see the answer. Oh, here's again. What is the name?
The name of the castle is Sky Castle.
Okay.
Mm, the king.
Who?
Mm,
Number two
I,
question.
mm, king
Who listens to
who listen to the king say
secret?
is Michael.
Okay. Do you know what is a secret?
No, secret.
Okay. For example, I I have okay, for example, this butterfly, I will keep it inside. Okay, I don't have here anything. Okay, secret is something you don't tell anyone. Shh.
Yes. That
Yes.
is black house. It's a secret and has
Okay.
so many toys in that
Okay.
and please have the secret please. I
Okay.
have
Very good.
one toy that's in the box.
Okay,
I
like your blind box. What's
yeah.
inside is secret. Shh. Okay, right? Okay, that's what secret means. Okay, question number 3, my dear. Okay, please, can you help teacher? Who
Who
is...
is the queen's best friend? Sarah.
Okay, do you remember what Sarah is doing in the picture?
Sarah is talking with Michael.
Okay, and I think here, let's go back. Sarah is the one holding the
Holding
plate.
the place of fruit.
Yes, very good. Okay, again, here's the answer. Okay, and the last question.
Who is the important letter for? The king.
Okay, do you remember the man holding a paper?
Yeah.
Okay, and it's running very fast.
To the king.
Very good. So what is that paper?
The paper. I don't know.
Okay, the paper he is
Important.
letter. Okay, the paper he is holding is important letter for the king.
Important letter.
Okay, my dear, good job. Okay, let's go to the next. Oh, which name was not mentioned?
What?
Which name we did not mention? Okay, again, the answers.
Is correct. Sky Castle. Michael, Sarah, the king.
Okay. Oh, here. Which name didn't we hear?
Robert.
Okay.
I
So,
know. The man is playing music with the man guitar.
okay, yes, maybe this is Robert, right?
Yes.
Here, the man playing with drum.
Yes. What is the boy name? The boy reading a book.
And okay, he has no name also. So can you give him a name? What name would you like to give him?
Mm,
The
I want
boy, the boy
the
who
name.
is reading a book.
The name is with the name is have to the girl is playing with the dog.
Okay, how
The name
about this
is
little boy?
yeah.
How about this little boy here reading a book? What name would you like to give him? We will call him...
Miso.
Okay, that's a good name. Okay, so let's go. Let's continue here. Yes, the boy reading, the man playing the drums, and the girl at the top of the castle. They have no names. Oh no. Okay, my dear. Here, the next picture. Why are they together?
They all play.
What things they have in common? Okay, in the first picture, they are all members of
of the friends, the boy group.
Okay. Okay. Do you know any name of a boys group
No.
or singers that have all male members?
Oh,
Okay, how about my dear, the second picture? Why are they the same? They are
because
wearing.
they are wearing a uniform.
Yes, that's why they are the same. How about in the next picture? Why are they the same?
Because they all drink the milk.
Okay. And they have the same, what do you call that?
Then I don't know.
Height.
Height. Yes.
Yes. They have the same height. They are they have the same they are both tall. Okay, the two little girls are both tall. Okay, my
Yeah.
dear, good job. And okay, this is what they have in common again. Oh no. Why are they?
It's time
Okay,
left.
here's the last slide. Okay, now you know this. I know you know this. Number 1.
David never uh never to clean up after his
Mess.
mess.
Mess. Okay, what's your answer? Oh, here's the
To
answer
clean.
already. Yes, okay, because David is singular or one person,
One person's
so we say cleans. Okay, number
cleans.
2. Number 2.
Number two is
Deborah.
Deborah is
Remember this word at
carrying
the moment or right now.
right now.
What is your answer?
Is pairing per
Very
that is
good.
pairing.
Okay, we will use again ing for right now. Number 3. Remember again here, there's a word now. So what is your answer?
Talking
Very
with
good.
my friend now.
Yes, okay. Number 4. Remember the word every Monday. Every Monday morning.
Every day.
Every Monday morning. Okay, what's your answer?
When-
Okay.
Um,
Have or having?
having. Oh, have.
Okay, very good. Have only. We have a briefing every Monday morning. Number 5. Remember again, there's a word here now.
Yes.
It's a question. Okay, what's your answer?
Um, uh, does uh, does he, does he plays, play eat
Yes,
food
play
out.
only. Very good. Play only without S. Okay. Number 6.
Number 6 is look our car to
Remember
our
the word look?
look our cat
ING.
look our cat is sleeping.
Very good. Okay. Number 7.
Uh, are you do you coming to the party?
You okay? Instead of do you, we say are you coming?
Do you coming?
Are you coming? Okay. Are you coming to the
Are
party?
you coming with the party?
To the party?
To the party?
Okay, good job. Number 8. Okay, this is
Number 8
check. This is
is
check.
what
Check.
time? What time? What time the bank is open?
Okay, what time the bank open? Okay, instead of is open, we say bank
Open.
opens. Okay, number 9, my dear. What's your answer, number 9?
Do are
Are
you
you with
are
ing?
are you kidding me
Yes.
now?
Okay, do you know what it means kidding? Are you kidding me now?
No.
Okay, it's the same with are you joking?
Oh.
Okay, are you kidding me now? Or are you joking? Okay, correct. Number 10. I'm really sorry. Okay, number 10.
I'm really sorry, dear, but you you
Do
you are not you do not
very good.
to meet to meet our creature
Criteria. You do
criteria.
not meet. Okay, you do not meet. Number 11. What's your answer? Number 11. Everyone, there's a now again.
I'm really sorry. Everyone to work.
Okay, what's your
We
answer?
usually
Number 11 first. There's a word
everyone
now.
to
Everyone
working
is
on the
project.
project now.
Project.
Projects.
Okay, again, what is your answer? Everyone is with ing.
Project. Projects.
Okay, again, everyone is work or working?
Working
Very
on the
good.
projects now.
Okay, correct. And the last one. The last one. Number 12. What's your answer, my dear? We usually
hold our leadership training in Rome,
Rome.
but this year we hold